So just real quickly, it's raining today and it's not the best day in Brisbane, so I'm hoping that I can bring you guys some fun. I don't know how I'm going to go about that, but I'll give it a go. Right now I'm going F45. I look like I've got a black eye, but I don't. Meant to be a really stormy, crappy day in Brisbane, but I don't let that stop me from going to the gym, that's for sure. It does stop me from going outside and having fun, but it doesn't stop me from lifting, which is what I love. So doing what I love, it's not going to stop me. So let's go and do that and see what today brings. I think it's June something. Look, I've lost track of days. I don't know what day it is anymore. I don't even know when my vlog's up to. But yes, let's go and train. It's terrible. You just watched me train F45 and I'm coming at you now from the future, which is the vlog edit. And I've realized that I didn't finish filming for that day, or if I did, it's just not there. So I'm gonna make it up to you with a little food filming. So I'm gonna share with you some fun food tips that you guys can use at home for an awesome meal pre or post workout. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in here now for you all. How's that sound? I'm really sorry. I'll make up for it in the future. Probably won't. I'll probably do it again. But this is my awesome sweet potato and chicken and banana recipe that I stole off Emily Duncan. So thanks. So I've decided to share with you guys a random meal that I'm making because it's the first time I'm making it, and I thought, hey, I'm gonna share it with anyone. Might as well share it with you because it's kind of weird, and been watching M. Duncan do it for a while, so I'm gonna make it now. I currently have some sweet potato in the microwave. I'm just cooking it down so it's soft. A little bit of water, about 100 grams. So heating up my hot plate now. It's like a grilling one. I'm just gonna cook some chicken on that, and then stay tuned for the rest. So hang in there. I chopped my vegetables before I chopped my protein sauce on that cutting board. I know my kitchen looks really gross, but hey, I am giving it a go. Please be kind. that is all. So I pre-cook it so when I put it into the grill, it's cooked all the way through and it tastes delicious. Ground cinnamon, need I say any more? I think not. It goes on everything that I cook. Guys, the chicken is fully cooked and brown, and then I add the asparagus in. I've actually got 2 pans as well, so the other pan is for my banana and sweet potato. Yeah, if I'm gonna be real here, I ate the whole banana. I didn't really weigh out 80 grams, but that's just me. Here's a top tip: when you're cooking your food in the frying pan and you want it to cook faster, get a frying pan lid and place it on top. It'll make sure that the steam is heating up your food faster. How good am I? Spot on every time for cooking it. It's too late, I can't take it back. And voila, the finished meal. No, I have not been eating the peanut butter. Oopsies. But yes. All done. Well guys, that's it from me again for another episode. Really excited to bring you some future content, so please continue to support my channel by liking and subscribing to it. If you could comment or even get in touch with me,
for any ideas that you possibly have. I've really been overwhelmed with the support that I've got already. So that's it from me for now, but I look forward to hearing from you and bringing you some great vlogs. So that's it, but the best is yet to come.